Hey there, and welcome to the Thomas Bruce Real Estate Channel, where I simplify every single week how to get an investment property, especially if you're brand new and want to be able to purchase an investment property in the Gulf South area here in Orange Beach, Gulf Shores. I'm going to simplify for you the process of how to get an investment property. So I'll be going through different terms and different scenarios that will help you in order to become confident to buy your own property one day. So today we're going to talk about how to get an investment property. Before we get into that, I want to let you guys know that I created a simplified guide. So it's a simplified property investment guide that's going to teach you step by step exactly how to get an investment property. So what is an investment property, why you should get one, when should you get one, what should you get, how to get it, and how to manage it. So just look below this video and download that link, download that guide today by clicking the link. So today we'll be talking about, how to get an investment property. So I'm gonna teach you just the very first step to do, and it's just what everybody else does, right? So just go on Zillow, go on Trulia, go on Realtor.com, and just start doing your own market research, right? So that's, with technology nowadays, everything is at your fingertips. You don't have to look in catalogs anymore like back in the day. I mean, everything is right there online for you to start looking to see what it is you're interested in. So especially if you're interested in this area, in the Orange Beach Gulf Shores area, I would start looking at the condos here, right? So you can start looking at, the beachfront properties and the off-beach properties that are like across the street. You can look at the bayfront properties that have like bay access and some docks and some boat slips, if you're more interested in that. And of course they have the wharf, which also has boat access and all the entertainment and all the shops. There's a lot of different areas that you can look into to see what fits your needs and what you're looking for. I mean, if you're looking for that beach view, obviously you want a beachfront property, right? And there is a higher price tag that comes with beachfront properties. That's just, location, right? So location will drive up price and demand will drive up price. So depending upon your budget, and what's your desire, whether it's obviously 1 bedrooms are less expensive and 2 bedrooms are more expensive and 3 bedrooms are more expensive, and the higher up you go, especially more toward the penthouse, it's gonna be more expensive. So I guess it depends what it is that you're actually looking for when it comes to a beachfront property that's gonna serve your needs. So the best thing to do is to start looking around, looking at the pictures of what that unit has to offer and all the amenities that unit has to offer, from indoor pools to outdoor pools to workout rooms, basketball courts, tennis courts, just everything that's included on that property that will come with your purchase, to see, hey, I really want that, or nah, I'm not really much into that. So just kind of looking around, seeing what the HOA fees are. On Zillow they give you like an estimated taxes and insurance. That's not always accurate, so don't go by that, but you can kind of have a basis of what the property sold for last year or a few years ago, and what's the asking price now, just to kind of see where the market's at. So you could do all that on Zillow and all these other websites, which is super cool. So you're actually coming in educated before you even contact a realtor, which helps us too, right? So if you have an idea of what you're looking for, especially if you know what your budget is, and the best way to do that is getting pre-qualified, right? So if you're serious about purchasing a condo in this area, I would get with your lender, a lender that you personally love, or an in-state lender here in Orange Beach, which we have several that are really great. I would definitely get pre-qualified so what's your budget. And that's based upon a lot of things, right? Your income, your debt, your credit score, and all the things. But I would definitely, seek your lender to see kind of where your budget price range is. So once you kind of have an idea of what type of property you want, where you want it, the best thing to do is to contact a realtor, a professional who could help get you to the right spots and showing you these properties and negotiating on your behalf to get you the right price and the best value price for your purchase. And I would love to be that guy for you. So you can reach out to me. My contact information will be below this video, and I would love to show you around Orange Beach and Gulf Shores to see what kind of properties could best suit and fit you. So if you have any questions whatsoever about the properties in this area, just comment below. I'd love to answer your questions for you. That way I can kind of guide you in the right direction. And if you haven't already, just go ahead and click that link below for your free investment property guide. That way you can always refer back to it for information about investment properties. I'm looking forward to seeing you guys next week.